Oh, it's Paz playing. It's not me. I don't play this game. Oh, Need for Speed Most Wanted. Friends who play. Look at this faggot. Gundam Zeppelin with his little Peter Pan bullshit. Oh, looks like he's one of my friends who plays Need for Speed Most Wanted.
Here's the third installment of my Threadripper build. I know, it's 3 weeks behind. I apologize. I kind of got wrapped up in other things, and so on and so forth. And I remember specifically that people weren't that interested in me explaining what the hell I was doing because most of the people that follow me know how to build a computer, and there's billions of computer video tutorials. So, essentially this time, I figured instead of me shooting this shit normally, I would use some sort of audio that normally go on my podcast channel. See how that flies. Let people get an idea of what the hell goes on over there from time to time. And also, I find the current ongoing ridiculous feud between me and Sven over a game I don't play, but the girl I'm dating plays, and Sven's beating her times, but she used my account, and he's now using that to piss on me as if he's beating me. It's a whole ridiculous rigmarole. There's a lot of trolling that goes on in our little group. A lot of trolling. There's more trolling than anything else, to be honest, when I think about it. It's like, what do we do besides troll each other now? Nothing!
Oh, Jesus. Oh my god. The Tuggy. This was what was so vitally important. You think this is new, Zill? You think this is something new? You think this is new, never seen before? This has been a Norwegian tradition for generations!
Nothing but trolling. 24/7 shitting on each other. Specifically me. Now I'm being told I need to wear a set of diapers and roll around in pasta sauce like iDubbbz if I want 1 million subscribers. This is my support system. Say what you want about me, but leave adult Peter Pan out of this.
Why don't you come defend adult Peter Pan's honor and prove his skill on the battlefield of race?
I don't play Need for Speed, whatever that is, Hot Pursuit.
It sure fucking looks like you do.
Yeah, I got the game for free from Origin like everybody
So
else.
did I.
And then Paz played it endlessly.
Oh yeah, Paz played it. And then I got her to cry on an audio recording to prove that I'm not a little bitch.
If I did play it, I'd kick your ass just like
You
I did
little
in
punk
GTA.
ass bitch. You're a pussy.
Zill, did you get us copies of Ride Redemption?
Zill's not here to defend you, faggot.
When is he ever?
You gotta defend yourself on this one. You gotta launch the game and defend your honor.
Yeah, let me launch the game, play like shit, and have you laugh at me. No, I don't play that fucking game.
I don't play that game. Sounds like a real likely excuse, even though it shows clearly that you do.
Oh, God. How come Zill's account had to be hacked and not yours? There is no fucking God.
Because I use only the best passwords.
Yeah, Zill's password, I think, was in Russian.
What the fuck?
Oh, it's...
Frankly, I have the best passwords.
It was good thinking. I mean, shit, my password's in Portuguese.
Is it I suck at Need for Speed?
Yeah, it is. .com. I have a whole website dedicated to it.
I'm just gonna open a Twitter account
Mm-hmm.
and constantly tweet pictures at you of me crushing your times.
Go
on Need
right
for Speed.
ahead. Did you fucking end up with your Twitter hat?
Christ.
And I'll just
Make
and
another one.
I'll tweet him so much. Have this entire account dedicated to me crushing your times on Need for Speed.
They're not my times.
Oh yeah, those are not my times. And then I'll make it on the news, and they'll be like, Midwestern faggot, internet troll Sven Skvafla completely roasts and destroys East Coast faggot Gundam Zeppelin and Need for Speed Most Wanted 2012.
This is how dumb my fucking life is. I have Sven trolling me over shit I didn't play, and I have fucking Paz in the
Game
other
that's
room.
5 years old.
I have Posse the other room going, fucking Sven, I beat all of your friends and now Sven's faster than me. I'm like, not only is he faster than you, he's got like 10 seconds on you. In racing terms, you're fucking dead.
Apparently, Sven is killing your times with great ease.
So then she's like, fucking have Sven add me. I'm like, I don't know your fucking name on
Why
Origin.
doesn't she just play it on your account? Because obviously you're not going to defend your honor.
I got
What's
her
really
own
tragic
account
is, like,
because...
She's doing these races in like supercars and stuff, and I'm just using a Boss 302.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
That's
she's
sad.
using like M3 Coupe. And, what was the other one? She had like a Pagani, not the Zonda, but the one after that.
Yeah, I don't know. I know
Whatever.
some dude like wants to
newer
give
one.
me a key for another Need for Speed, and he's like, "Would you play for me?" And I'm like, "Dude, I don't play Need
Wait,
for
which
Speed."
one?
I don't know. It was one of the newer ones.
2012.
No, the last one that came out.
You
Just
should
kidding.
tell him to give you the key and then just give it to me.
Oh, I already
I'll
told
play
him
it.
like Poss would play with him.
I'll play it. I won't play with him, but I'll just play the game.
Oh, he wants someone to play with him that's like connected to me. You can't get the key, be connected to me, and not play with him. It reflects poorly on me.
This is the best clanks.
Wow, that's just
It's so fabulous.
it's so mean.
It's so.
My question is that a real woman?
Did you just question her gender?
Yeah. I'm old, so I don't have to fucking be up on
Who
these
is
new
my
things.
so? Who's this guy with the key?
I don't know. One of the people who watch me.
Congrats on stopping that.
Does he know who I am?
I could ask.
Because I thought about getting it. It's only $20, but because I'm thinking I'm gonna get the one that's coming out in November.
Mm-hmm.
Looks pretty good.
I've lost all faith in the gaming industry.
What have they done now?
You know, loot boxes everywhere, microtransactions out your asshole.
Games are a service.
Now it's a new Need for Speed.
I just can't.
Payback, because they realized, oh shit, we can't just release games with the same name.
Cars just crash into each other ridiculously and barely take any damage except for the enemy car.
I don't know. All I know is it's got a GNX in it, so I'm interested.
Watch most Twitch streamers because you're part of the gun show.
What are the gosh?
Like, I think what Zill doesn't get is when we're all combined together in games, usually it's always funny and interesting. So there's like no need for a Twitch streamer. Unfortunately for the rest of the world, Ziltex, they don't have access to a Gundam to troll.
Yeah.
But his when he gets a squad going with him, Jack Frags, and like 2 other people, it's just so funny. Especially when they pick up the pan.
That was it?
I'm just gonna.
I've like watched it replay like 3 or 4 times. I'm like, okay, it's gonna get funny at some point. Shoot my pen. Shoot my pan. I'm like, okay, he just did this, then it replays again. I'm like, when is it gonna get funny? And I just realized it's looping.
Well, we all can't be sponsored by Intel and Corsair now, can we, Gundam?
Yeah, because Gundam isn't gonna put 10 hours a day on this shit because Gundam's got fucking people to take care of.
That's your problem.
Yeah, I know. I have to go fix a fucking car. Forgive me, I have responsibilities. I can't do a 10-hour stream and play with my cock for the enjoyment of the world around me. Get away from me, Smokey. Not now. I'm bitching.
That's why you're a fruit.
What? Are you Illuminati, by the way?
I am Illuminati.
I knew it, you piece of shit.
I am confirmed.
I've been fucking getting trolled by this douchebag for a couple days now. It's kind of like, could you come up with better insults? I'm getting bored here.
Who?
The Illuminati. He trolls my videos and leaves me messages, such as, I paint, I sculpt, and I draw. You're right. You're not a fanboy. You sound like a faggot. And I write back, better a faggot with talent than an internet troll who has cock fingering in his browser history. He then comes back and says, I'm sure faggots such as yourself would know all about cock fingering. I reply, now you deflect. Just come out and admit your love for rusty balls. This duel could last days. Let's see, somebody's mad at me because I pointed out that at Gamergate, IGN, not even a writer is involved in Star Wars, and they said my video makes them want to kill themselves. I said, well, don't let it stop you. Watch it again until you fulfill your fucking destiny.
Pretty good. What's to do?
Is that it? Is that your
Sounded
one
really
line,
New Yorker there.
motherfucker?
You know what I love most, Mark, was the message he sent afterwards.
I can't even remember what I sent.
Hold on, let me see. All I have to do is look for the kissy emojis I sent him afterwards. Where was it? Hold on.
Quickly, troll, quickly.
I'm looking.
Dropping the ball, Zill.
Where the fuck is it? How long was it ago?
Don't make me suggest more Rice Krispies.
I wanted some Rice Krispie treats.
Wrong type of
Racist.
Rice Krispies.
Nobody's talking about your Rice Krispies that involve an Anabon, Ziltex. You've been driving that joke into the ground for the past 2 or 3 days.
I sent it yesterday.
With you, time is magnifying.
I know. Isn't it great?
Because I know once you get one thing, you
Oh,
just
that's
keep
right.
gnawing
I
it.
backed up my phone and I lost it. Oh, shit. You know, my problem is with Black Desert, it's too much. Like, I love the combat, it's amazing, but it's too much for an MMO. Because what it ends up being is just everyone just sort of like flashing around, you know?
So check that out.
Ah, see, that's the one. Thanks, Clanks. I was looking for that one. Here, Mark.
What?
Ah, classic. That is fun.
God damn it, meant to send that to a hot chick. Fuck my fucking gay ass life. I love that.
I was having a bad day.
It's so perfectly well written.
I just like the fact you text exactly how you would have spoken that sentence.
That is
Like,
true.
that's exactly how you would have spoken that sentence if you'd have been here.
I'm glad I'm so amusing even when I'm in text.
Why haven't your YouTube ratings shown it?
Ha 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 ho. Ho 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 ha ha ha. Ha ha. Wrong!
What the fuck was that?
I'm up 30% everywhere.
I thought you lost 10 subs.
So what? I lost 10. I'm still up 30%.
You lost 10 because of fucking mentioning Victoria. It's the
I just
only
got him
reason.
back, actually.
Yeah, I was really surprised that you left in me actually calling you Victoria in the vid.
Oh, like she's gonna watch my shit. She's too busy. Like her thing right now, she's on a vendetta. What's that guy's name again, Zill?
I don't remember.
Captain Hamster is her arch enemy.
Oh yeah, that dude.
Like she is pissed off at Captain Hamster. Like I'm pissed off at Oni-san.
The fuck?
No, but see, the thing is, Captain, I watched that vid, dude. It was actually funny.
I know. Like that's what I told her. And she's like, I just don't get it. I'm like, of course you don't get it because he's funny.
Who are we talking about?
but,
Victoria.
Yeah, this is the video.
Is this another...
All right. So she's going on about how she's surprised nobody's going up against Captain Hamster, getting mad at him for pretending to be gay, but everybody's after PewDiePie for making Jewish jokes.
But
And
that's
I'm like,
completely different.
I know. I tried to
Yeah, that's a
explain it to
big
her.
difference.
Yeah, I tried to explain it to her, and she didn't get it. It's all the media's fault. Felix didn't do anything wrong. People are just out to get him because they're all butthurt or something. Like, literally, the phrase butthurt was in there.
Huh?
Are they females or are they actually just really camp males?
Oh, wow.
No.
Well, they all shave their legs, so females. Like,
We only shave our legs once a year.
oh my god, you shave your vagina too?
Is that his hair?
Dude, that's probably less frequently than Chaz.
What's going on?
Look at McCree's
Boom,
arm. on
got
Black Watch
him.
McCree.
You
You
got
have to
roasted,
right?
son.
Look at his left arm.
I can barely
Son.
Left
hear.
arm is weird, like the texture.
He is currently...
Well, if you can barely hear, then we don't want you in our side.
Okay. See how he has to deflect on me because I'm an easy target. But at this point, you know, it's like you're aiming the bar so low, it's pathetic. It's like, oh, I'm gonna shoot one at Gundam. Oh, he shaved his legs once, that faggot. Oh! Oh, he said sex with 2 girls at the same time. He's a fucking fruit. Faggot.
Whoa. Wait, did you kiss them?
Oh, god damn it.
You
Are you gonna
fucking
persecute
fruit.
me in my life choices? Fuck you.
You fucking fruit, you kiss girls.
Get bent. I'm going to tell BuzzFeed about you.
Tell them I was making fun of you because I don't know. What would trigger them the most?
I don't know. I'm finding out that people who are popular on YouTube used to be a part of BuzzFeed.
Oh Christ!
So you're gonna go join BuzzFeed then?
Yeah.
That would actually solidify you as a fruit.
God, I don't give a shit. It'd be a fruit with money.
Oh, what the? Oh, hey,
You don't
Gundam.
normally suck dick, but $100 is $100.
We're not talking 100.
Don't dodge the question, Chaz.
We're
Elmer.
talking
Oh
a
my
couple
God.
million, motherfucker.
I've got my
Yeah.
PayPal open.
Yeah, you got the money. Everyday life is fucking you assholes, and you try to pretend it isn't. Then you go after Gundam, who admits life's a bag of shit. In fact, life's so full of shit, why bother wiping your ass? But you two little fruit cups. Oh, I don't even know what to say to you because I'm trying to watch this stream and I can't think straight.
Wait, what stream are you watching?
I'm watching Zetsu and fuck with him by right.
Zell, are you almost dead?
Get wrecked.